Okay, so I hope you can hear me. So this is currently Nifty and Bank Nifty going on, and I'll discuss the full thing, like what happened today and what not. So let the others join. So again, meanwhile, if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. Okay, so in Nifty we have opened 24,900. So this is with respect to 24,900, and this one HFT is with respect to 24,800. So because Nifty is between these two levels, and for Bank Nifty, this is 55,300. So let's bring this forward and let's go for 55,400. Nifty I money flow kind of neutral. Yeah, so today I didn't have time to post on X. Thank you. So, today not updated which was required most. So yes, today I did not get time at all to post. No, 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 no. This is not C and P, Rajat ji. Yes, Ronak, you are the boss. You are the boss of the stock, like stock options. So, yes, again coming to Rajat ji. So this is like, suppose if I see, look at the settings. So this is Nifty. Okay, so we have it for like the stocks, options, and the indices as well. So this is, we have selected Nifty here, and let's say we have put the ATM as 24,800, and here strike difference is 50, and usually I go for 6. So when I enter 6, so what do I mean is that, like, the number of strikes I want to analyze. Okay, so the number of strikes I want to analyze means, let's say ATM, that is 24, whichever ATM I am putting, 24,800. So 24,800 C and P will be analyzed with the help of this HFT Algo scanner, as well as, like, why am I putting 6 here? So that is, ATM is 1, and then the rest of the 5 out of the money calls. So that means 24,850, 24,900, 24,950, 25,000 and 25,050, or you can even increase. So those are right out of the money calls, and similarly 5 right out of the money puts. So this is what it's analyzing, and it's showing you whether the big guys are doing call writing there, or put buying, or call buying, or put writing. Now, as I have already said, that we go with the call writing and the put writing. Why? Because the big guys, they do mostly short positions, like they take short positions, they write. I am not denying they don't at all buy, but mostly like 80 to 90% of the times they write. Okay, so like this, as you can see here, you can also see the fund, that is like 51 CR of call writing happened here. Okay, and right here, and market started going down. Okay, so just a second. Okay, so the thing is that here, so call writing happened, and then market like gave slightly fall. Here also, like as you can see, call writing mostly happened. Here call buying also happened, but as I said, we don't go with the buying. So buying can be done for hedging purpose. Also, like these call writers, like suppose these call writers can book profit. So many things can happen. So that's why we don't go with the buying. So that's how it's going. And even in Bank Nifty also, as you can see here, the call writing happened again, resistance here as well. Call writing happened right here, it happened, and that was the last green candle. Okay, there. So yes, but also it's not like it fails as well. Okay, so this is not like 100%. There, I mean, every indicator has its positive and negative part. Uh, Hope they do some call writing. I am in put from morning. Okay. Yeah, they have done some call writing here. Today I rescued my uncle. He bought 24/7 P at around 9:30, and I helped him average at the right time, and he narrowly yeah, so you have become a pro trader. So okay, so yes, what let's discuss the full whatever happened today. So let's zoom in. So let's zoom in here in Nifty. So yeah, so right in the morning, what happened? Let's see. So right in the morning, right here at 9:15. Okay, 9:15 right here. So like the big guys, like someone shorted. Okay, so and then after that the three red candles came in, but they were not able to make it last longer. Okay, but yes, it proves that like they tried their best. Okay, so they did call writing 9:15 right at 9:15, and this is again the specialty here, that is we get the update like absolute real time. We don't have to wait for 9:18 to get the OI data from NSE. So again here as well, like they shorted, but again slightly bent, but they failed, and finally it went up, and after that again it came down, and here like right here, so again right at the bottom. So those call writers, yes, here it failed. Okay, so again, if you say that like I won't give any excuse, but again, you know that like we avoid trading for the first 15 minutes. This happened like 9:22 or something. But again, I also said that like suppose if this kind of scenario, if we are in the buy zone in the smart trend, and if you are shorting, then keep a strict stop loss. I've been saying this for several days. Like keep a strict stop loss, and also like at that moment our AI money flow was also like positive. Okay, so if you come here, Nifty AI money flow. So as we just simply follow two indicators, mostly HFT and AI money flow, and the third one is the smart trend, and that's it. Like simple setup. So like AI money flow was positive. Okay, so even during that period, if we are shorting, we have to be a little bit careful. I mean, not a little bit, very careful if we are shorting. Okay, and again, like we have to put the SL, and also I said better put the SL while placing the order, because later on what happens is that greed comes in or emotions comes in while placing the order. Place the SL. So again, now let's come here. Right here, if you see 44 CR, 49 CR of put writing. So right here, and that was the last red candle right here. And then like the spike came in. Okay. So again, like suppose, see, that's why I tell you, like suppose if you have lost 10 points or 15 points, whatever, so you can easily recover in another one. Okay, so that's why keep the SL. It's not like you have to win in that trade only. So I mean, there will be many opportunities coming. Okay, now the thing is that like if you don't have the HFT, so like you may not be able to identify the right bottom or the almost right top. So you have to like depend on various data points for opportunities. But here the opportunities are very, I mean, they come from almost exact bottom and top. So you get to capture reversals, and capturing reversals is like gives you a lot of profits. Okay, so that because like it, I mean from the bottom or whatever this where it's starting, you are capturing the move, so almost okay. And yes, now coming down here, that is let's see again. So those were the big put writers, they took it up and then slight fall, and again while falling here a significant amount of put writing happened. Okay, here as well they were also buying some calls as well, but again we don't go with the buyers, and then again an up move came in. But here again when it went up, there a significant amount of call writers came in, like 51 cr. So even like on the scanner you can put alerts, like you can go and put like this, you can go and put alerts. That is suppose if this candle is more than 50 cr or 40 cr, then it will alert you every time such a candle happens, okay, in the HFT algo scanner. And yes, now again here they shorted, like this amount is 51.5 cr, and again here as well some 14 cr or 13 cr, but this was a big one. And then again here also some happened, like 27.8, 27, this is 27.8, this is 15.1 cr, okay. And right from there again, as you can see, market started reversing. Okay, here also market started reversing. So as I say, like one such scenario where like like where even it's not even a, like it's a danger zone, we might say. I will name something to that, because we are like in the money flow we are positive, and in the smart trend also we are in the buying zone, but due to the HFT we are shorting. So if that is happening, then we should keep a very strict stop loss. Okay, and whatever the stop loss is, like you can easily recover it in such a move like here, and again a significant one here. Okay, and like again this is falling right here. So again let's come to bank nifty. In bank nifty, like let's discuss the whole scenario. So yeah, bank nifty, it started all from here. So even in bank nifty also, right at 9:15, as you can see, they shorted. And bank nifty also, the first three like the next three candles, it was red, red, red. Okay, and then again like so it's falling. Yeah, so again here also they shorted, and then after that the fall came in. Okay, and so this is like we are analyzing with respect to 300, but if I go to 50, so the ATM would be like 55,000 or something, so in the morning, so 55,000, so you'll understand better. Here they shorted right here, right, then next to green candles, and then it started showing resistance coming down. Okay, again right at the bottom here, while coming down, you see right at the bottom they did put writing, and that was the last red candle. And whenever such a thing happens in both nifty and bank nifty, right, look at the time, 10:35, right? So 10:35, even in nifty also they made put writing, and whenever it happens in both nifty and bank nifty, it's usually a very very good sign. Okay, so again like it fell, sorry, it went up, and both nifty and bank nifty gave a sharp up move. Again right at the top, like again in bank nifty they shorted, call shorted. Okay, and then slightly up move was there, but again it fell, it showed that resistance. So wherever big quantities are there, so let's see here, a big chunk here in the morning was a big chunk, here was a big chunk, and then after that some put writers here as well, some put writers here as well, this up move came in. So this wasn't exactly from the bottom, but still, yeah, even after that also it went up. Again here a significant amount of call writing happened. Also you would say put writing also happened here, the light green. But again, whenever simultaneously both are happening, look at who is putting more money. In this region you will see mostly call writing happened, even here as well. Okay, And here if you see, that was the last green candle. That was the last green candle, and after that it fell. And it's not like after the move it's saying before the move. Okay, so right now I was talking about bank nifty. You saw like in nifty, these put writers were there, and like they are again trying to take it up. So that is like whatever happened, the whole picture. And that's how, like, in real time you get updates about the big institutional positions. And yeah, so the move does happen. So, like, with a high probability, of course. Like, I'm not saying 100% of the times, but yes, it's a very high probability setup. And I'm showing you every day, so that's why, like, you should have at least that much amount of faith. That is, I'm not hiding anything or showing on the days it worked. Every day I'm showing, so that you get a clear picture that out of 10 times, like, if a system is giving 8 to 9 times like it's correct, so I mean it's a good setup for the stock market. And sometimes, like yesterday, so sometimes like that it works like 100%. So yesterday I gave you the clear picture. So some days it works 100%. So yeah, Galib. Yeah, hello, Galib. Thanks for the response and explanation. Why don't we follow or add the money flow in the future, sir? I didn't get your point. Like, money flow in the, you mean that like this money flow or our sheet AI money flow? This money flow is like giving you a overview of the option chain. Can we scalp in the in option selling? Yes, yes, yes. I also scalp in option selling. Yes, it's a paid indicator. And you can see it's all real time, no delay or anything. It's all real time. And real time, and also like we are identifying the big activities, like the big institutional activities, and giving you their track record wherever they're placing trades and whatever they're doing, and with proper fund flow, like how much fund they're putting. Because what happens is that, like, you can identify call writing happening, put writing happening, but suppose out of the sharks there are bigger sharks and there are smaller sharks. So like you also have to identify who is putting more money. So that was the final problem. That was like we solved it. And here now you have, like, that if suppose like here, as I explained here, that is, right here you saw some put writing also happening, but significantly call writing happened in this zone, right? So then, like, the fall, I mean, it got some resistance came in. Okay, so that is the thing. Like, out of the sharks there are bigger sharks, there are smaller sharks. Now as you can see, right now some put writing is happening, and they are trying to take the market up. So what, it's not per month. Like, if you want the indicator, so you have to go to my website. So the website link is given in my X profile. So here, there are three options: 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months. So whichever suits you, you can go for it. Like, add to cart and check out, and we will add you right away. So if you are opting for it today, so you will be getting the access right now, but your membership count will start from the next Monday. Okay, this Monday, coming Monday. So that, like, you can study the charts and everything, how it performed in the past, like on the weekdays, and then go for live on Monday. So that is how again, some call writers are also coming into the picture. So that is how the thing is. Just give me 1 minute. Yes. So uh, I have been seeing your indicator performance regularly. I liked it as well, but taking premium for 6 months is a huge money for retailers like me. Please introduce 1 month or 3 months at least. See, what if I introduce just 1 month for 15K? You should understand that point as well. Like people are selling for 6 months for uh, some basic indicator. They're selling it for like 50K for 6 months. Instead of that, I have kept it only 15,000, 1.5. Okay, so it's not like it's going monthly or going 6 months. So I have kept it at an affordable rate. So there is nothing like that in the market anywhere. So you see that the put writing were happening, and then after that, like it's pumping up now. We just saw it like in live. Now you would say that here some call writing happened, but as I every day say that while it's thinking, so like let it print first, okay? While it's thinking, let it think, okay? And after it has printed, it won't change, okay? So like here, it's thinking, okay? After it has printed, then there won't be any change. So we just discussed here that is put writing were happening, and you see this is the pump it came. So again, like this is a unique of its kind. Like there is nothing like even near to this in the market. So I can charge anything like I want, but again I have kept it at a very minimal price. It's not about 6 months, it's not about 1 month. So again the same I can do for 1 month, I can keep it for 10K. Okay, then it would be more costly. Like for 6 months, it would cost you 60,000. So if you see the per month costing, so it's coming at around like yes, SL, like you can keep it where they shorted or something like the moment it turned from there. So anything like, and you can after that you can trail your SL as well or close it. Like if you are scalping, then close it here. So that's how you can manage. And so like the point is that if see I can introduce for 1 month for 10K and do that stuff, then people will come and say that for 1 month it's too expensive. So now right now I think it's fine, like for such an indicator which you can't avail, like there is no such indicator doing similar job, like like catching the reversals from exact bottom here. So it's like a magic in the stock market. So like catching, you see catching a reversal like from exact bottom. So this is like magic in the stock market. So like here if you see right now we were live and we saw that. So again like if like you can easily capture these moves. So within I hope within 1 week you can recover your, I hope. Okay, so it's again it depends on how many lots. Some recover in 1 day itself, and they tell me that like we have recovered it today itself in the first day. So whatever they have paid me. So again, it's like 2.5K per month. It's coming out around. So if you are going for 6 months, so if you're going for higher like the 12 months, so it's coming at around 2,000 per month. So almost. So that is the thing. Like overall, the it has been kept at a very affordable rate. And again, we have every option. Like we have every option for payment. So PC Sorkar Stock Market Edition. Yes, so I'll rename to that PC Sorkar Stock Market Edition. So that name will be good. So it's like watching magic in the live market, like, and it really hits your dopamine. So because see why it hits your dopamine so well, because I mean the whole of India or the big institutions, everyone is trying to predict the market direction. What is the next direction? What is the future? Okay, so if you then get the correct direction from the bottom or almost from the top, so you know that like how much dopamine it hits you. So, and that too, it's with the help of data points, purely data points. So again, like for this reversal, at least do put a like. So at least like costs nothing, right? But see, I am putting my effort and time. It's costing me something, but your likes doesn't cost you anything. So at least put a like. If you again, I'm not. I don't tell people to like if nothing happened or something. So if yes, if we saw something nice, then I only tell. Then only I request that yes, at least for this there should be some likes. Okay, so Bank Nifty, what is happening here? Someone call shorted here. So again, as you see that whatever like the fall has will come or not, again that is also the next question. But see right in front of you, they shorted and the next candle started red. Yes, sir, I understood your point, and it's affordable price too, but trading with the capital of 15 billion. Yeah, thanks for understanding. So again, right here, Bank Nifty, you see the magic. It's really like magic. I mean, if this is not magic, then what else would be like? Show me in the stock market that I mean, is there any leading? I mean, more leading than this. So that's why I say that yes, one or two or whatever, sometimes like see, even the one that did not work in the morning, so there we got some caution as well from the smart trend and from the Nifty I money flow. So, but the thing is that like uh, only a single instance did not work. Yesterday it worked full. Like yesterday, go and check out yesterday's live stream. So the last pump was also like detectable. So before, like it went 10, the C's went 10x and more than 10x. So that is the thing. Like that was also detectable. That our indicator detected it. So that is the thing. Like put SL, if SL gets hit, fine. Wait for the next opportunity. You get the next opportunity. Yes, so that is the thing. Like, thank you for understanding. So, no, for trial, that's why I come live. Every day I discuss it. Okay, what is happening? Because suppose if 1 or 2 days trial I give and by accident those 2 days goes correct. Okay, then also there is a question that over a long period of time, is it working? So that's why I shared the performance every day, especially in Nifty. And right now, as you can see, so the put riders came in. And see, right now, Nifty, just check. Like the put riders came in and they are trying to push it up. But again, after 3 p.m., it's a little bit okay. In Bank Nifty, also the put riders are there. Let's see. So what happens after 3 p.m. usually like for the next day positions are built up. So that's why it's like it has been said that don't take position after 3 p.m. until unless you want to write and scalp or something. Also after 3 p.m. you get like mostly decays. So even in scenarios like this, suppose you see that writing happened here, you did, and it came down, and you see put writing happening. So that is also a caution signal for closing. Okay, so market is trying to go up from here. So again, that is a caution for even closing your shorts there. Yeah, GeoFi, if strike price is 2.5, then go for 5. Strike price as difference as 5. And in the ATM, put a strike price which is a multiple of 5. So let me show you. If such a thing happens, so like this, then put 280 and in the strike difference, put 5. Then it will start working. After 3 p.m., lot of positive positions are squared off, may not be advised. Yeah, so I have already said that earlier. Like right here in Bank Nifty, you saw put trading happened and they took it up. So like this is right after 3 p.m. as well. Like after like during the day also it like such things happens and the move also comes. Okay, so it's like magic again. See, like in Bank Nifty, you just saw put writing happened. These two candles went up, and this is live market. Like people, whatever they do is like after market hours they do the replay version. So they go for replay here on TradingView, and then they write some script about justifying their indicators. And at the end of the market, they might do some replay version and make some live commentary there, like as if market is live, and they will make some commentary. So after writing some script, after like you have watched a cricket match, and after that on the recorded version you are making a live commentary as sim like as if the as if the cricket match is going live. So yes, so again guys, like if you want an example here, so like again I'm mentioning that this one, like so someone has modified a little bit modification of the MACD indicator, and they are selling it for 40K. Okay, and I have already made the video like this one. Okay, So this one they have just modified the so I have clearly shown you their indicator and the MACD how they have modified it. So again, do share it, and like he's selling it for how much? 40K for 6 months or for 12 months. So you see guys, like people are there out to rip you off. Like they won't never come on live during the market hours or never post before the market hours and show you how things works. And later on in replay version they will write some script to justify those moves. And again, 40K for 6 months, now you understand. Whereas like such a leading indicator, I have only made it available for 15K, so you can understand like. And also like MACD is something that is the move. If the move has started, then it will start showing. Okay, so it's not like that is like something like this, that is like market is falling, and market is falling, and there it will show you that put writers, big put writers are there, and right after that market will reverse. So MACD doesn't do that. MACD starts like this, that is its code is like it's available for free, MACD MACD. So I hope at the start of the stock market everyone has used that indicator. So like what happens is that from here onwards it will start in green because it kinds of takes the average price. So again in Nifty, again here some call writers, here some call writers, and it's again getting some resistance. Okay, Bank Nifty you saw here this pump. So that is the beauty of this indicator. And again, please do share it, guys, like this, at least among the traders who are trying to buy that Faltuka indicator, that modified MACD indicator just for 40K for 6 months. Okay, so so this is the one, like MACD. Okay, so this has been slightly modified. So as I said, like MACD doesn't do like right below. So since it takes the average price, so when market bends, like it goes into the green a little later on. And there he will come and show that you could have captured this move, like this green came in here, you could have captured this move, and so on. Like here as well you could have captured this move. So like this like it's just nothing but all the moves that you can capture with his 40K indicator for 6 months, you can also capture it with MACD itself. Okay, MACD, and which is available for free, and you don't have to pay anything. uh, yes, so another indicator he's selling is auto VWAP or something, but then again like that is also like uh, that is also present, like this indicator is present in the market itself for free, and he's I don't know how he's selling. I mean, I'm really surprised. Like Ronak yesterday showed me that the other indicator that he's selling is already like its name is AVWAP, auto high low. So this indicator has been modified, and just not even modified, just the coloring has been changed. I think this below one is still blue and the above one is red, and the middle one color has been changed, and that's it. Like this blue color has been made into green color, and like that. Just the coloring has been changed, and that is being sold for 40K. Within that 40K package, that is being sold. Like I mean, there's nothing more to say. premium is not falling. Yes, after 3 p.m. that's why don't trade. Uh, eh, so again, if premium is not falling, you can go for call buying even in the market situation. How are you handling the scenario of call writing and put unwinding? No, no. So put unwinding means what? That is, they will be buying puts. Put writing, like put unwinding. I hope you want to mean that the put writing positions are getting unwinded. So in that case, they will be buying puts. Okay. So that's why we don't go there. Like we don't go into the buying scenario. Like here also, like some buying you will see. Now, whether those are fresh put buying or some call writers, sorry, some put writers are closing their put buying, we don't know. Okay. So, all we know is that whenever big writing happens, then the move, like almost with a high probability, the move comes. Okay. So, that's why every session, I clearly say that follow the writing. Like here, call writing happened in that candle itself, put buying also happened. So this small amount, so it's a cumulative data. So this part is the call writing. So call writing happened, a good amount started falling. Okay, here, right here, put writing happened, also call buying also happened, but we don't go with that. Okay, we usually go with the heavy put writing. So put writing happened, went up. Okay, so that is the thing. And so that's how we handle the thing. Like I always say that, I mean, just follow the big call writers and the big put writers. What is option chain analyzer? You said yesterday you will tell that. Yes, I said that. Like I said that. I mean, please, like first make. Uh, let's stop the sell for their current one, like the sell of their current one. So please do share that, and I'll share the logic. I'll share the logic of that option chain analyzer as well. I'll do. So in short, it's like nothing but sum of the premiums of the call minus sum of the premiums of the put, or you sum of the premiums of the call side and you keep on averaging it out, and you similarly do it for the put side. You average it out and then you subtract it. Okay, and then you output the difference, and that's how that guy has built that option chain analyzer. And again, he's selling that for under that, I think 40K for 6 months or something. So, and making a fool out of everyone. That so what happens is that if you do that, if you just subtract the call premium minus the put premiums and output it, so whenever market gives in one directional move, it will work like wonders, because call premiums are increasing, put premiums are decreasing, so the difference is increasing. So it will show a nice thing. And whenever market moves down, call premiums are decreasing and put premiums are increasing, so the difference will go into red. And when market goes one directional down, so it will show a nice result. But when market goes zigzag, so then it will fail. Or market goes slight up and then come down, it will fail, because it's averaging out the premiums. Okay, so that's the thing. Like you will see mostly he posts like on the days when market moved in one direction, then only he posts the results of the results of his indicator. So see, like in trading view, like I think 6 or 8 months before, like they have started this option chain data. So they have only introduced it for the US markets, and that too in US markets, not even all exchanges, I think, but I'm not sure about that. NSE, BSE, and I think another one, I don't remember exactly. So these are the option chain now available. So once they add MCX, so I'm waiting for that. Once they add MCX index, and once they add crypto option chain, so again we will be able to apply that there as well. Okay, for now we can apply this code in MCX commodities and crypto everywhere. But for that I have to make a Python code, and I can only then run it in my terminal. Okay, otherwise if I have to build a website and everything and make it run there, so there is a lot of cost. involved, and I'm preparing myself for that for the future. But yes, so in TradingView it's very simple. All the computational power is coming from TradingView, and that's like it's simple to host on TradingView. So that is the thing. So once they come up with those BTC and commodities option chain, so we will be able to run our HFT algo scanner there as well. But for now, you can get like this smart trend indicator, you can run it anywhere on any chart. Okay, so that works everywhere. See, let me show you, Anil ji. So yes, money flow is in negative. Yes, that means big guys are shorting at the end, or put unwinding is happening. So put side unwinding is happening. Bank Nifty is not much, but Nifty's money flow is going down, guys. And even we saw some call writing majorly at the end, like here. Put writing happened, but majorly like call writing happened. So I guess again, like might be that. Yeah, I think put side unwinding is happening. Put side OI unwinding happened, so I think that's why it's going down. So again, there are several factors why it can go down. So might be OI unwinding, might be IV, might be um, something coming from the Greeks. So there are a lot of variables. So that's why sometimes I'm also not sure, but overall it follows. Okay, so I think the fall on the Thursday. So on Wednesday, the AI money flow closed at negative 40, and then on Thursday morning, straight fall came in. Even Wednesday also at the end, heavy call writing were also done. So Upashok Mukherjee. Upashok, are you from my college, Upashok? I don't know, right? Like there was one junior Upashok. It, yes, yes, yes. Okay, I got. Okay, so market is going to end in 1 minute. This is how it's ending. Bank Nifty money flow is almost neutral. My Nifty money flow is ending in negative, and okay, so yes, it was a very wide way. What do you do when market is sideways? So then like it's very good to scalp, right? If you see here, when market is sideways, first of all, how do you know that market will go sideways? Like if AI money flow is like neutral, if you see it's for a very long time it was in the neutral zone. So if it's neutral, then there is a high chance that market is like in a sideways mode. And in that period, like here, if something big happens, it usually follows. And scalping is a good opportunity right here again. Okay. And so the call writers were present right here again. But after 3 p.m. I usually like says to stay away. So let's forget after 3 p.m. But before 3 p.m. here, okay. And so these are the things, like when market goes sideways, then you can very well scalp. Yes, some good amount of put writing also has been done. I think like we would be seeing some slight fall or neutral, because Bank Nifty is ending in neutral. So on Wednesday that I'm talking about, that day Bank Nifty and Nifty both AI money flow ends negative. Okay, so heavily negative, not even negative 20, negative 40 or above that, I think. So anyways, that's the view. Like both are present at the end. The bears and the bulls both are present, and right at the end some put writing happened. That was, I mean, the very end. So again, like I mostly say that forget about what is happening at the end. So like it will show you like on Monday, whenever market opens, so the HFT will be I mean running live in real time, and there you can easily get like the picture, like many reversals every day. It gives you good reversals like this one. Okay, so and also like track the AI money flow and both of them, and you get good reversals like this, like this. So during intraday itself you could get so many opportunities. So why do you need to wait? I mean, during your weekend, what happens is that like once Gift Nifty shows something against your position, so you get worried about your position. So leave, like enjoy the weekend. From Monday onwards, again start. During the intraday, you get so many opportunities like to catch reversals almost from the bottom and top. So why take all those risks? Okay, but yes, let's analyze data points and let's go forward with that. Like knowing what happened on Friday helps. Sell to 24,850 PE, shorted, gain 9 points. Oh wow. So yes, like I hope like this one came in and then the pump was there. So then I hope you shorted. Yeah. So two sleepless nights is, I mean, greater than overnight position. Two night sleep is greater than overnight positions, right? Actually, 3 nights is Friday night, Saturday night, and Sunday night. So, anyways, I hope like again you enjoyed today. So I mean, especially like those who are wondering, like here we saw the reversal. But again, if you want to really enjoy the magic, like go and check out yesterday's live stream. Okay, so go and check out yesterday's, like go to the live section. Yesterday we were live here, and especially go and check out the last pump, just before the last pump when the C's went 10x or more than 10x. Right before that we were like live, and big put writers came in like one after the other. Big light green candles came in, the big put writers, and then that 10x pump happened on the C's side. So go watch that. Okay, so that will give you goosebumps. Like, okay, so such an indicator, like with the help of the data points you can do a lot of impossible stuffs. Okay guys, so again, if you enjoyed the live session, please don't forget to put a like. And yeah, so let's again meet on Monday. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks for coming and thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.